I have officially 9 days until summer starts, meaning I have 9 days to glow up. Because I don't know about you, but I'm trying to show up this summer. I'm predicting it now. 2025 is the summer of selfies. I just feel like we need to bring back that 2014 vibe where everybody was just posting selfies to their Instagram feeds. Like, I'm trying to bring back that energy. I'm gonna show you guys all the different ways you can glow up your selfies using Picsart. The first thing that we need to make sure we don't have any of this summer are pimples. Now, I don't know about you, but I am victim to a pimple or two, which is why I love to use a Blemish Tool. I love to go in and use a Blemish Tool to get rid of any zits or pimples. It's so quick and so easy. Another thing that I love to do to elevate my selfies is go and use the makeup tool. I am a lazy girl, okay? And I don't always have an hour or two to do a full beat of makeup, which is why I love to just put makeup on my selfies rather than actually have to do all of the work. It's a perfect lazy girl hack. And I also love to use the makeup tool to try out new makeup looks. For summer, I'm trying to do that glowy, beachy vibe. I always start off with like a mauve pink lip color. And the secret, it's all in the blush, okay? I love to use a little orangey tint. It just kind of gives you that like naturally sunburnt look, which I'm obsessed with. Especially for summer, I think that is what I'm trying to embody when I say I want to glow up. And one of the hottest makeup trends through and through every single summer are faux freckles. Picsart has a lot of different freckle options that you can choose from. Pride ones to celebrate Pride Month. There's also more natural freckles, which are my personal favorite, but you can also do heavier ones if you like that as well. The freckles detail with the blush just really elevates the whole summer makeover look. And I don't know about you, but after all of the makeup touches, I feel like my selfie is now elevated. Another thing we're gonna do, get rid of the eye bags, girl. Literally all you have to do is tap on the under eye bag tool and boom, it's gone. I look several years younger. Now, another thing that I really want for summer is a tan, but personally I don't have the budget to go to Fiji and get that tan, so we're gonna use a skin tone tool. I'm gonna pick a really natural tan color. I think it just pairs really well with the makeup. It looks super natural, and this is great if you don't actually want to go under the sun. It just adds a bronzy look that I'm so obsessed with. Now, my new favorite tool that I never shut up about is the Hairstyle Tool. I have been playing around with this all spring, and now that it's summer, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I know I want a big change, but I want to make sure that these look good on me before I jump the gun. So I've been playing around with the Hairstyle Tool because they have a bunch of different features. The wavy hair look I'm so obsessed with because I was actually genuinely thinking of getting a perm. So this is making me lean more in that direction. And my favorite, lo and behold, highlights. Now, I've tried a bunch of different hair colors with this feature. I've tried pink, I've tried red, I've tried blue, I've even tried rainbow, but highlights has always been my fave, especially with the makeup look and the tan and the freckles. Like, I think this just embodies summer. Literally all you have to do is take this selfie, remove the background, put me on a beach, and boom. Tell me that's not the ultimate summer makeover. It's crazy to think that I took this selfie and made it into this. This is proof that you can give yourself a summer makeover look from home with one selfie and one photo editing app. It's so easy and so quick to do. This is also a great way to experiment with different looks and what I want to look like this summer, how I want my actual glow up to be. Let me know if you guys end up trying this out yourself. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new videos every single Wednesday. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts where we post a bunch of different tutorials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.